Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So here they ask us to round the following. So this here, right here, you see the rounding coaster. It's supposed to be a roller coaster, but because we're rounding, it's a rounding coaster. So it says that if you have a number right here, let's say 23, and it's 4 or less, right? So you round down if you're rounding to the tens. So that rounds to 20. Okay? And if it's like 36 and you're rounding to the tens, you always look at the last number, okay? And if it's more than 5 or more, you round up. So that's going to be 40.
I have a question.
Yes?
What if it's 5?
If it's 5, it says right here, 5 or more.
Oh,
so
5.
you round up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Okay, let's start under questions. So 56 is a 6 right here. So 6 goes where? It goes like this, up, right? So we should round it how much? To how much? And it says tens right here, so we're rounding
60.
to the tens. Okay, 60 right here. Now again it says tens, and it's 93, and it's right here. So where is it going now?
Down.
Okay, so
90.
what is it? 90. Okay, now it says hundreds. So now we look at the entire thing. Like, we look at the 60 and the 2. 762. The 6 is right here. Yep, it's 800. And then the next one. It says tens now. So the tens is at 2. Where do we go down? Down or up?
Down. 760?
Yep.
Rounding is easy.
Yeah, it's really easy once you get to know what it is. Okay, and now it says hundreds. So now it's 450, like Zara said earlier. If it's a 5, what do you do? So it's a 5. So what do we do? Go up,
You
right?
round up.
Yeah, so it's a 500. Good job. Now it says tens. So look at the 1. 1 is going down. It's all the way at the bottom. So 270, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I know that one. Can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
400.
Good job. It says round to the hundreds, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 6 is going up. Okay, the tens. The tens is at 7. Is that going up or down?
Up.
So where does it go?
370.
Okay, good job. Okay, now what about the 639? It says hundreds, so it's a 39. The 3 is going where? Up or down?
Up.
It's going up?
I mean down.
Good job. So what is it?
600.
Good job. And we're done.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.